Is your Kia Rio key fob not working? Let's diagnose it. The most common issue is a dead battery. Kia Rios typically use a CR2032 or CR2025 3-volt lithium battery. Symptoms include reduced range, intermittent locking, or no response. To fix, open the fob with a small screwdriver, replace the battery costing around $5 to $10, and snap it shut. This simple fix resolves 80 to 90% of key fob issues. If the battery isn't the issue, the fob may have lost sync with your car. This often occurs in models from 2012 to 2023, with failure rates around 15 to 20%. We'll cover how to relearn it in the next section. If a new battery didn't solve the problem, try relearning the key fob to your Kia Rio. Enter the vehicle with a working key. Cycle the ignition, turn it on and off. Then follow the specific button press sequence outlined in your Kia owner's manual. For 2012 to 2018 models, you might need to hold the lock-unlock buttons simultaneously during the relearn process. Newer models often require a 10-second button press. If relearning doesn't work, the problem could be a faulty receiver in the body control module, BCM, located under the dashboard. This is less common, but requires a mechanic's diagnosis and potentially a BCM replacement, costing $200 to $500. Also, be aware that Kia issued a recall in 2025 for some Rio units due to faulty BCMs, so check if your car is affected for a free repair.